What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today, fresh out of the mailbox, is the September 2019 FPV crate from Get FPV. So what I'm going to do is do an unboxing, see what we got this month. If you don't already know, you can subscribe to like Quad Box, Drone Drop, FPV Crate. It's like around 50. I think FPV Crate is a little more than the rest of them. I believe it's like $10 more or so because they do charge tax, which a lot of them don't. But you get some random parts every month. You don't get to pick what you get. Pretty much everybody gets the same box. But let's go ahead and check out, open up this box and see exactly what we got inside for the month of September. All right, so let's open it up. I love how FPV Crate looks like so much more professional. Like it comes in like a plastic case, come in a plastic cover. So if it rained, like it was raining today, and the box didn't get wet. So big plus for FPV Crate on that. But let's go ahead and see here. So this is what it came with. Looks like we got some stickers. Get $30 off Fat Shark or Orca. Get FPV. That's right there. Use that code if you want to. And then looks like we got take an extra 10% off anything in the store. If you want to use that code, you can do that too. And then we got another get 30 off DJI products on Get FPV. So that's another one as well. And it looks like the stickers. So it looks like this is an Umagod themed box for the month of September from FPV Crate. Pretty cool stickers. I like them. I like how these stickers are like, they feel like they're like legit, like they're thick, you know. We got some bubble wrap. And looks like we got 3 sets of props. Let's see what these are here. 5x5x3. I don't think I've ever ran these props before. But yeah, we got, well, this one might be different. Nope, same thing, just different color. So we got clear, like an orangey red, and then some pink ones. Yep, all the same size. Looks like we also got some wipe with a damp sponge or lint. Is this Umagrip? Umagrip Light. Yeah, that's what that is. Look, it's like a cool green color. Cool. Then we also got, looks like for the boost this month, it's a Mamba F4 MK2 high efficiency ESC. So this is a 4-in-1 ESC, it looks like, I believe. Let's take a look here. Nice ESC. I like it. Comes with some caps, headers, and even some battery leads to hook up a XT60. Looks like we also got a Umagod strap, battery strap. We always use battery straps, break them all the time. And then what is this? Mamba flashbang LED board. Not sure what that is. Let's take a look at it. Oh, it's like some LEDs. Are these motor wire ones, or are these the ones that you have to like hook up to your flight controller? Let me take a closer look at this real quick here. Yeah, these are the ones that you have to hook up to your flight controller. Like you can put these under your arms or whatever, and then you have LEDs on it. I usually don't like running LEDs because it has so many extra wiring and stuff like that. I just don't like it. But that's that. And then our shirt for the month. Take a look at this. Oh, this is a cool shirt. This is actually really awesome looking. So it has like a quad, little astronaut flying a quad. It says FPV Crater on the bottom. That's cool. I like this shirt. Good job. But that should do it for the FPV Crate for the month of September. I still have the drone drop. I should be getting that later this week. I did just post a Quad Box unboxing this morning. Actually, late last night. So check that out if you haven't already. And I appreciate you guys watching, and look forward to some future content. And don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and leave a comment down below what you thought of this month's FPV Crate. See you guys in a future video. Peace.